Welcome to this trauma informed yoga practice for deeper rest and sleep. This will be a very relaxing practice. You'll need a mat and something to sit on. So go ahead and grab those and we'll get started. We'll be starting the practice sitting today. So find that comfortable sitting shape. You can close the eyes if you would like, or gently gaze them forward maybe. Really feel the sits bones on the ground. And allow the body to feel heavy. You don't need to sit with perfect posture or be very active. And take a few moments to deepen the breath. Noticing your stomach and your chest rising and falling. Making those inhalations and exhalations as deep as feels comfortable. You can gently place the hands on the knees if you're sitting cross-legged. If you're not, I invite you to come cross-legged. And we'll do some seated cat-cows. Your eyes can be open or closed for this. On an exhale, rounding throughout the spine, tucking that tailbone under, your chin goes to chest. So you inhale, opposite movement here. Those hands might glide up the thighs as your chest rises. Exhale, once again, rounding throughout that spine, chin to chest. Let those shoulders round. Inhale, coming back up, chest goes forward, head goes up. And once more at your own speed. Coming back to neutral, joining me in a twist here, twisting the body to the left. You can take your right hand on the left knee. One gentle breath here. Exhale, come back to center. Rotate to the other side. Left hand on the right knee. Right hand goes back and twist. Exhaling back to center. Lovely. Coming into a child shape here. If you're on a bolster, you can move it off to the side. You could also place it in front of you and use it for rest. So either works. Knees can go the width of the mat or together and bring the body backwards. If you have your bolster, you can rest your face on it. If not, you can gently place your head down on the mat or wherever feels comfortable. You can spend some moments here with your own breath in deep relaxation. Seeing if there's anywhere else that you can let go. Relax. Release any tension, the face, the jaw, the hips. And if your body doesn't want you to, that is okay. Slowly coming out of the shape. You can go on hands and knees here. Lift the toes up, the feet up, and just windshield wiper those knees back and forth, giving the hips a bit of movement after the rest. And then when you are ready, join me on your back. Once on your back, if you'd like, you can bring those knees up to chest, tuck them in. Rock the body gently side to side. Little massage for the low back, maybe some circles. And then from here, gently twisting over to the left. You can keep the legs up and twist. If that feels like too big of a twist, you could take the feet down to the ground and twist the body down to the left or the legs down to the left. If you like a bigger twist, you can bring the knees to chest and then twist the whole body over to the left side. If you have your bolster and you would like to use it to rest the knees, feel free to do that. And if you'd like, you can twist your head over to the right, getting an opposite twist for the upper body. Find what works for you, what feels like rest and relaxation. Allow your body to spend some moments here. Once again, here, can you sink deeper? Let everything go. On an exhale, bringing those legs back to center. Maybe doing another little rocking or circles, a bit of a massage. And then on the other side, bringing the legs over to the right. You can have them twist all the way down or have the feet rest and twist the legs that way. And once again, if you'd like to turn your head to the left, feel free. Can you sink even deeper on this side? Letting go of the tension of the day. On an exhale, when you are ready, bringing those legs back to center. One more knees to chest. Gentle hug. And then you can slowly lower the legs down to rest. Any which way that works for your body. If you'd like a blanket and a pillow, feel free to go grab those. Allow your body to sink into the mat. Feel the heaviness of the head, the back, the legs. Take some nice, deep, relaxing breath. I'll play some gentle music here so that you can sink into this, easing into rest and relaxation. And slowly bringing your awareness back to the present, wiggling the hands and the feet, relaxing the face, maybe giving a little smile. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope this was restful and relaxing, will bring you comfort as you go into sleep tonight. I'll see you next time.